So here I measured and cut the front of the garage door. I'm gonna put some measurements down. So I measured everything out for the front garage door. I'm using a few pieces of wood, 2 clamps that I clamped down already, and I'm gonna be using this electrical router, and not to be used by children. Now I put the garage door sideways. Now I'm gonna do them going this way, wherever I mark the line. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna sand it down. Take a piece of sandpaper and sand down the gaps in between. I'm just gonna cover this hole with some of this. Now I'm gonna use this table saw. And please be careful for adults if you are going to use it, and not to be used by children. And I'm gonna cut them in 4 pieces, right, the line that I have right here. So after cutting those 4 pieces of the garage, I'm gonna glue on 2 pieces with hot glue, 2 pieces of wood, so then it's gonna keep it all together. Now I'm gonna glue on 2 pieces of wood that fit across the garage, one close to the garage door. Some hot glue. So all I did here, put 1 piece on here so it's gonna hold the garage in place at all times, and then 1 sideways. Here I have a piece of wood that I measured and cut for the door, for the garage door. And I'm gonna sand it down now. I'm gonna paint it white on both sides. Here I have a screw and a white cap that I spray painted silver, and I have a drill here. I'm gonna make a hole. Screw it in, and I'm gonna take the hot glue and glue it onto the screw. I have 2 mini hinges that I'm gonna glue on this time. Put glue on the other half of the hinge. So here I have 2 thin pieces of wood that I'm gonna glue on both sides here. So when you lift up the garage door, it will not go anywhere other than stay on the track.